Hey everyone, David Kim here with Aristocrat Autosport. I'm here to talk to you guys this week about some suspension parts for your Subaru WRX and STI. Whiteline has these cost-effective sway bar kits for your WRX and STI. They include a 2-point adjustable front sway bar and a 3-point adjustable rear sway bar with end links to complete the kit for both axles. These larger diameter bars offer high torsional resistance, dramatically reducing body roll during cornering. These kits use fully forged end links for maximum strength at the mounting point. And of course, all hardware for installation is included. Whiteline offers lateral link kits for your 02 to 07 WRX. These are 4 adjustable arms for the rear axle, allowing you to fine-tune your camber and toe angle. With sturdy construction, you'll experience a more natural, direct driving feel thanks to a stronger connection between the chassis and rear suspension. Bushing lubricant is also included, and installation is a breeze. Something that you Boxer owners should consider are KW's Variant 3 Coilovers, which is their benchmark system which offers full adjustment of height, compression, and rebound. The compression offers 12 ways of adjustment, and the low-speed rebound has 16 ways of adjustment. KW's strut threads are fully CNC machined and constructed from their inox line, which is stainless steel, for corrosion resistance. These of course are TUV certified and use CNC machine components to have a long service life. Something many of you Subaru owners should consider is Whiteline's roll center and bump steer correction kit. It is essential if your car has been lowered. This kit includes 2 ball joints and tie rod ends with extended lengths over the factory pieces to correct roll center geometry. By increasing the front roll center, you'll experience increased front roll resistance and a significant reduction in suspension compression as you go around corners, resulting in improved tire contact, which in the end gives you more front end grip. Here we have Perrin's front strut brace, which gives you a more connected chassis in just a few minutes of installation time. By connecting the front factory strut towers, you'll enjoy better steering response and reduced body roll. This makes for a perfect accessory for those of you who enjoy autocross, track days, or canyon runs. The brace has been powder coated red for long life and increased engine bay appeal. Hey everyone, this concludes another video from us at Aristocrat Autosport. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.